Pretty good fake handles.
Look at the flag on the scooter. We're hitting at the False Creek ferries because we want to go across the water. It's basically a water taxi that we're taking across. Let's walk on this boat ramp. We're going down there and we're gonna basically, I don't know. I've never taken a water taxi before. Look at this bridge right here though. The architecture on it is so cool. Look at all these buildings. It'd be cool if it was sunny. You have the mountains in the back over there and the rest of the beach right here. Look, can you see it has a smiley face on the front? And now we're taking a look at the public market and they got a bunch of stuff here. It's like inside, we're about to go there. In memory of Wendy McDonald. Thanks for the bear, Wendy. These are the Giants. It's Vancouver's first large-scale mural created in 2014. And this is what they look like. With the Canadian flag right in front. Look, they're making the tiki with Sharpies. I love it. It's from Oregon. That chandelier is so cool.
Like, wow. You'd hope if they're endangered. We go to kind of say, okay, we're
Flipping pirate ship.
Oh, he's like made like an island of ships.
That's crazy.
That's the guy right there.
We found the Roadhouse Community Center. And they have a huge train here. They have like train stuff in there. This is the world just being like, hey, you're going on train adventures next year. This kind of looks like the Polar Express. This is really cool. And it's got white wall tires, just like, kind of like my Tesla. That's awesome. Oh my gosh, what the heck are those things? The buildings are all different. So that one's yellow, that one's blue, this one's brick, but I mean, they're all brick, but this one's painted, and that one's like a different color brick. And then you have this side, and it's literally all different. The buildings are amazing. I would totally love to live in a place like this for like a year, just to experience all of this activity. And like this street, the next street, the next street, and then even down there, because you're kind of central to everything. Every time, oh, it comes for ice cream. Yeah, ice cream. Piecing out of the hotel, getting in the Tesla. Guys, look, it's the Harry Potter golden snitch. It truly is. So we're in a Canadian mall right now. It's like so empty. This is the Dania Down store. And okay, it's cool if these are real ostrich feathers, but it looks kind of scary. I would not want to come home to see that staring at me. Oh, and then there's Vinca. Vinca is like a Canadian, more upscaled version of Daiso. That's how I would put it if you're familiar with Daiso. Towards the end of the mall, typically in America, we have, I just learned they're called anchor stores, and that's like your bigger stores. So like Macy's, Nordstrom, when Sears was a thing, Sears back there, but it's literally just rows of small stores back there, and we're walking through it, and the thing is, it is so not full down here. Like, look in front of us. Look at that. It's just empty. It's fully empty. There's nothing down here. Tim Hortons. Apparently it's not that good. It's just people go to it because it's Canadian. And from what I've seen, Canadians are patriotic here. I've seen a lot of flags. So maybe this is the bad mall. And my friend just pointed out, maybe that over there is the nice mall across the street. So we're gonna go see if we made a little kerfuffle. Okay, I think we found the nicer mall. I definitely think this one's a little bit of a nicer mall. That was good. It'd be cool if you live right here. Legit in this huge tall building would be pretty nice. You got your gym inside there. There is a gym there. You got food places. The only thing missing really is a grocery store, but I'm sure they have that somewhere around here. We found Rivian. This is the first Rivian showroom I have ever been to. And I'm pretty sure this is the R2?
It looks pretty big.
It is the R1S. Here's the inside. They have their little adventure dude. They have different tires on the inside. This is a Canadian Red Bull. Just kidding, it's an American Red Bull. I can smell the freedom. It's from my fridge. It's in the back seat. I brought my fridge and air fryer to Canada. If you want to see any of like my cooking videos, because I do cook out of the Tesla, make sure you subscribe down below for that because they're pretty fun videos. We get to cook in the Tesla, chill together, whole vibe. We got Jake Blackstaff about to take some amazing photos of the Tesla with the Vancouver in the background. Time to leave Canada, guys. It's been an amazing 2 days. And we have had so much fun with our friends and just seeing new things. This has been absolutely fantastic. I don't know when I'll be back, but I definitely have to come back. It was super amazing. Definitely a little bit different than the States. It was enough to where that it felt different, but it wasn't like I was completely out of this world. So it was a super nice feeling, and I really appreciate everyone that had come out and everything that I saw, and you know, Brett for making it happen and all of these guys. I'm speechless. I had an absolute amazing time, and I hope you guys did as well. So thanks for coming along with the journey. We're gonna spend the next couple of days back in Washington, and then we'll head back down. So definitely don't miss that. See you guys soon. Pieces left uncovered. I'm thinking about 4-leaf clovers. I've got composure. Silver coin, you hold me, turn me